Hello traders, welcome to the new video. It's officially day 8 of using 50,000 capital for 50 trading days. So let's start ahead with the video. So today in the morning session we saw a very good gap up in the Nifty, and Nifty was sustaining in this zone from 550 540 levels to 520 levels. It was consolidating there for almost like 1 hour. Initially in the first hour of the trading it was making a volatile moment, and it was taking like the max level was around 19,540 plus levels. And even if you see here in the previous to previous day price action, we had seen a lot of rejection. The Nifty had taken a lot of consolidation and it was taking resistance over in the spot. So this was a level where I was keeping an eye. And if you see, I made with this candle I got a confirmation that there was after there was a sell off from here, and Nifty tried to, if I move on to 1 minute time frame, so you will understand like the major momentum that was created in this spot was like in this candle. The even though Nifty went up high, the closing came below. So what I did, I started making position. Let me show you my positions, what I did. So initially I entered in 19,550 put with today's expiry. I entered with only two lots at 1022. So I was observing whether the that previous candle, what I was discussing about this candle, we had I started making position in this candle 1020 candle. So wherein after a confirmation that there was a sell off, and then after seeing a doji, then I was observing this candle, and then once I was getting a rejection from the top, I started making an entry with just two lots initially to observe the price action. Sorry, here I bought 100 quantities at this spot. And then once I found that there was a rejection, even though I entered with 900 quantities at that uh, level, wherein at 1023, hardly like I waited for 1 minute to make a big quantity entry over here. So the average price was almost like 27 points, 27, we can assume it as 27.5 rupees, because I made two lots at 27 and major 900 quantities around 27.5 rupees. So the overall capital that I required for this trade was around 27,000, roughly 27,500 as the capital that I invested in this trade. So if you see here, the next candle itself, when I move on to the Nifty, we saw a huge crackdown of almost 25 points. And even though Nifty had taken the it went almost to the level of 489. So in this trade, like exactly I executed my trade around with 47 as a trailing stop loss, even though it was trading with 50 plus. I just wanted to check whether I why I kept the trailing stop losses. I will let you know now. So when the Nifty had been in the previous all price action, if you see, Nifty was coming here most of the times. 200 moving average, there was a rejection from there, and we saw a crackdown. And over here Nifty also was not able to sustain here, and then we saw a sharp fall from the 20d 200 EMA on 5 minute time frame. So today also exactly what happened is, the Nifty had opened gap up and it was consolidating in this zone almost like 20 points. And then my intention was like once this level was taken out, the Nifty would retest the 200 DMA 200 moving EMA on a 5 minute time frame. So this was my target, wherein I entered exactly at the breakdown. Not exactly, I was anticipating the breakdown. I entered after seeing this candle. So I was able to make almost from this trade around, let me show you, 19,500 PE with my position over here. I made around 19,550 as the profit I gained from this trade. Almost around like 75% of the returns I gained from this trade. It was a very quick trade, and even I had multiple positions in the 19,500 PE also. But it was, I had almost like 3,600 quantity. So the capital that I used for that trade was very high, and see, I won't be counting that in this 50,000 capital, because I made almost here also. If you see, I had almost 3,600. When I scroll up over here, I had executed my 1800 for 18,550 put at 25 rupees, one 100 1,800 quantity, and another at 20 rupees. So this was the capital that I used was more than 50,000. So even though the profit that I made from that trade was lesser because of the decay, as the Nifty had been to 5 19,540 odd levels. Because of that, decay was very high. So the majority of the trade that was, favorable for me was the after, once I saw there was a crackdown from like this level was about to break, so hence I made an entry with 1,000 quantity. So the capital that I used is around 27,000. So that's it for this today's video, and we'll update you about the next trades what I'll be taking in the upcoming video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.